Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Raycon Everyday headphones or Everyday Headphones Pro and you're looking for instructions on how to control the headphones with the buttons. Now this is the Pro version. The regular version looks a little different, but the controls are exactly the same. It doesn't really make a difference. Just on the regular you have volume up, power, volume down, and then the ANC button is a little bit farther down on the ear pad, but everything else is the same. So we're going to go over real quickly how to control your audio, your music, how to control your phone calls, and then how to control your noise cancellation and the equalizer really quickly. So we'll just go through it. It's really simple. So first of all, pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds will turn it on or turn it off. And then how to control your audio. If you want to play or pause, while the audio is playing, a short press of the power button will pause, and then a short press will resume the music. Now, the volume up and volume down buttons will obviously just a single tap will increase and lower the volume. But if we do a longer hold, just like a 2-second hold on the volume up or a 2-second hold on the volume down, that will respectively skip forward and skip backwards, skip the tracks forward and skip the tracks backwards on the audio. Now, if you're using these headphones and you get a phone call, and so the audio is interrupted and you get the ringing in your ears, all we need to do is, if we want to answer the call, we're just going to tap the power button and that will answer the call. Now, if we don't want to answer the call, we want to send it to voicemail or reject the call, then we will just press and hold this power button for 2 seconds. And then once we're on the call, if we're ready to hang up the call, then we're just going to tap that power button just like we did to answer the call. Now, the only other thing is this: you have this ANC and equalizer button. So if you want to toggle through the noise cancellation, you have 3 things. You have full noise cancellation, you have awareness mode, which does some cancellation but still lets you know what's going on outside, and then just totally off and noise cancellation off. Just a single tap on this ANC button will toggle you through those options. And then finally, if you want to change your equalizer options, you can basically have sort of balance down, or you can go to like a bass boost, or just what they call a pure sound, which is going to help you hear dialogue and stuff like that. We can just long press 1.5 seconds, press on this button, will toggle through those options. So that's really all there is to it. Hope this helped. If it did, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.